Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Be signed in with a local administrator account. Otherwise, you cannot change services or registry safely. Next, test network reachability to your domain controller and DNS. Group policy depends on name resolution. Open Event Viewer and look for relevant group policy client errors. These error codes tell you what failed. Once done, prepare to stop the group policy client service and inspect its recovery settings. This gives you a clear path forward. Now you execute repairs. Stop the group policy client and any dependent services. Use services. MSC or RunNet stop GPSVC with elevated prompt. Then check registry permissions where group policy stores extension settings. If permissions are wrong, set them to allow system and administrators full control. If registry keys or user profile links are missing, restore from a healthy machine or export/import correct keys. Make sure to restart the service and observe Event Viewer. That confirms whether the core issue cleared. To finish, reboot the computer so group policy services reload cleanly. After reboot, run gpupdate/force and immediately check Event Viewer for fresh entries. This proves success or shows residual errors. If problems persist, consider rejoining the workstation to the domain or restoring a recent system snapshot. Those steps resolve deep identity or profile corruption. And one crucial troubleshooting tip: always verify system time and DNS. Kerberos and domain authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.